Stop scrolling. A confirmed crypto airdrop just dropped. And yes, it's free. No token now, but early users get real benefits, worth up to $500. Watch this to the end and I'll show you exactly how to join the Surf waitlist in minutes. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is about Surf, a new crypto platform that's giving early users a confirmed airdrop. No guessing, no fake hype. This is 100% real, and you don't need to invest a dime to join. So, what is Surf? How can you lock in your early access and get your hands on the free premium features and NFTs? Let's break it down simply. What is Surf? Surf is like your personal crypto command center. Instead of jumping from one site to another to do research, get market updates, and make trades, Surf brings everything together into one simple platform. You can ask your crypto questions in a chat box and get smart, instant answers. You also get real market data, trading signals, and even the power to place trades, all in one spot. This tool is built for people who want to make better decisions in crypto, without all the stress and chaos. Now, here's the juicy part. Surf is launching its web platform in July 2025, and they've confirmed a waitlist-based airdrop. Here's what's in it for early users. Free premium features worth $50 to $500. Access to powerful crypto tools before the public. Genesis NFTs that may come with future perks. And it's totally free to join. But only the top 10% on the leaderboard, up to 10,000 users, will get early access. How to join the waitlist, step by step. Let me walk you through how to join. Step 1. Go to the Surf waitlist. Link is in the description. Step 2. Connect your X-Twitter account. Step 3. Follow at Surf on X. Step 4. Complete your profile. Step 5. Start earning points. Click on the option Try Surf Replay to start earning points. Now let's talk about how you can rank higher on the leaderboard. How to boost your points. Do demo tasks, try out surf features and earn points. Refer friends, share your referral link, and you get 10% of their points. Ask smart crypto questions. Yes, asking questions earns points too. Engage on social media. More followers equals more points. Even if you don't have a big following, you can still climb the ranks by completing tasks and inviting friends. What's the catch? There is no catch. No payment needed, no crypto wallet required right now. Just your Twitter account and a few minutes to set up. Benefits of early access. So what do you get if you make it to early access? Unlimited crypto research, exclusive tools for analysis and trading, Genesis NFTs for future benefits, priority access to the full platform before anyone else. This could give you a major edge in this bull run. Frequently asked questions. Question: what's the difference between Surf Lite and Surf Web? Answer: Surf Lite is a mini Mac app. Surf Web is the full platform launching soon. Question: do I need a big following? Answer: no. Tasks and referrals matter more than followers. Question: is it really free? Answer: yes, joining is free. Premium features are also free for early users. This is a rare chance to get real crypto value for being early. No token now, but if Surf drops a governance token later, early users may benefit big time. So don't wait, click the link in the description, join the waitlist, follow Surf on X, and start earning points today. And if you want more airdrops like this, subscribe and turn on the bell. I'll keep you ahead of the game. Drop a comment if you joined. Let's climb that leaderboard together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.